Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this cut and drifted pattern or decor. It's made by series of drifted holes, and it actually creates like a hollow pattern. I'm gonna make just a short version of this using just 3 holes. First 2 are gonna be laid out like this, and they're gonna form a little bridge in the middle, and then I'm gonna cut and drift the 3rd hole from the side right between the first 2 holes. I'm gonna start with the sharp cut from both sides, and then I'm gonna clean the inside of the cut with this tool that has a flat top. Now I'm gonna forge it back to square again. And now it's the most difficult part of the process, opening the eyes or the holes. I'm actually gonna start by closing down this one and opening these two. So when I open the third one, it's gonna spread evenly, I hope. And I'm gonna use these three drifts. The process is so difficult because when you open one hole up, the other two usually closes, and the whole thing likes to bend and crack. Maybe it might be easier having like a hardy tool like this with the hole in the middle, so you can put the thing like this and drift it through, but I don't have a tool yet, and so I'm gonna have to figure it out. So this is how far I get with the drifting, and now I'm gonna use a smaller hammer and kind of clean it up on the horn of the handle. So this is the final product. It's nice organic shape and can be used as a handle, for example, like fireplace tools handle. Fits in the hands nicely. And I also made this one, which is a little bit longer and a little bit nicer. And I also tried this one, which I twisted a little bit. It's a nice organic shape. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I still don't know how to call this pattern or this decor or whatever. So if you got any ideas, please let me know down in the comments. And thanks for watching, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and have a nice day. Bye.